Hi, this is Leah. We're doing Seed to Plant lesson for today, and our YouTube video is attached here in the slide. Here are our essential questions. Basically, students just need to know the main parts of a plant, what are the conditions required to grow a healthy plant, and what is the process of a seed's growth. Then here we have our state standards, and then here's our Edpuzzle class code.
Our first group is the flower group. The first group is meant to improve understanding and comprehension. It's a Webb's DOK1. The two activities the students can do are using cards to play matching. They'll either match the pictures to pictures or picture to words, and then they'll also be able to organize the order of the plant from seed to actual plant. And they can also do a Quizlet, which is created by the teacher, and the students are able to play games on there, like memorization or flashcards, things like that. The second group is the cacti group. This is to use the information or conceptual knowledge, and it requires 2 or more steps. This is a Webb's DOK1 or DOK2. Using the memory of the plant, they'll be able to recall the growth of the seed by acting it out. All right.
Hi, this is Destiny. So the next group that we have is the grass group. So for the first activity, the students will go outside and take pictures. This is a level DAK2. They're going to show, categorize, classify, and organize the pictures that they see on their phones. And then for the next activity, it's a level 3, and the students will create a poster flyer collage on Canva that includes different terms from the video to explain the growth of a seed. And for our last group, is the tree group, and it's a level 4. So the students will analyze the growth of a plant and its seed to connect to what they see in the video. So they'll actually grow their own plant, and over a couple of days they'll watch and see how it connects to what they saw in the video that they watched. And then